Robotic Arm by Himanshi Yadav. In this project, we have used two servo motors to control an arm and a claw, and we can operate them with our mobile phone. It is also an IoT program, so we can operate this arm from anywhere around the world. We have used ESP32 and servo motors to control it. We have done the coding in Arduino IDE software, which is connected to our Wi-Fi and the Blink application. For the printing, we have used 3D printer to print out the structure of the claw and of the arm. We have connected it with screws, breadboard and jumper wires. We have used 3D structure because it is lightweight and also is strong enough to hold the motors and other objects. Thank you.